In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in your Squarespace website. Whether you're aiming for a more eye-catching headline or simply want to ensure that your text is easy to read across all devices, adjusting your font size is a simple yet effective way to enhance the look and feel of your site. We'll walk through this process together, step by step, so you can confidently make these changes on your own. First, we'll start by logging into the Squarespace dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website, and having access to all its features will allow you to customize your site to your liking. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites if you manage more than one. Go ahead and click on the specific website that you want to modify the font size for. Taking this step will ensure that you are making changes to the right site. Now that you've selected your website, it's time to navigate through the website's left panel. This panel is filled with a variety of customizing options, but don't worry. We're specifically looking for one called Styles. This section houses various design-related options that will allow you to adjust different elements of your site aesthetically. Click on Styles to open up further possibilities for customization. Direct your attention to the right side of the screen once the Styles panel is open. Here, you'll notice a series of options related to the appearance of your site. Focus on the option for fonts and locate the arrow to the right of it. Click on this arrow to expand the detailed settings for fonts, including size, style, and more. With the font section now expanded, it's time to adjust the font size. You will see sliders or numbers that you can adjust to the desired size. Play around with this feature until you find the perfect balance for your website's design. Preview how the changes look on different parts of your site as you make modifications. This way, you can ensure the text remains readable and visually appealing across all sections and devices. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the final step is to click Save at the top left corner of your screen. Saving your changes is crucial as this ensures that the adjustments you've made are applied to your live website. If you forget to do this, you might end up losing your changes and perhaps having to start over. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the font size on your Squarespace website. Remember, this feature is versatile and can be used to make your website more visually appealing and functional. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to keep experimenting with your site's design to find what works best for you and your audience. See you next time.